going to tackle about types of conjunction. We have three. We have coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunction. First, what is coordinating conjunction? So, coordinating conjunction is a word that connects two equal parts of a sentence. And these parts can be words, phrases, or complete sentences that are similar or related. And the most common coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So, you can remember them using the word fanboy so that you can remember the coordinating conjunctions. You can use that mnemonic device which is fanboys. So, let's take a look at the first example. I like pizza or a salad for lunch. So, in this sentence, the coordinating conjunction or is used. It joins two point choices, which is pizza and a salad. And the word or shows that you are choosing between the two options. Are we clear? So let's take a look on example number 2. She enjoys painting and he loves playing the guitar. So here in the sentence, the conjunction and connects two complete ideas, which is one person enjoys painting and another person loves playing the guitar. So the conjunction and is used to add or combine both ideas together. Now let's look at the example number 3. So the child doesn't want to get up, nor does she have an appetite. So this time, the word nor is used and it joins two negative ideas. The first idea is the child doesn't want to get up and she also doesn't have an appetite. So the conjunction nor connects both actions that are not happening. So it's used for joining negative sentences.